Honestly, I'm quite disappointed in you, Elsa. Like, okay, right? You're supposed to be right here right now. And I live on this island, right? So, but the power isn't even out. This is the worst thing that I have. It's a bunch of freaking rain and not even that much wind. I thought we were supposed to get like 50 miles per hour wind. What? Yesterday was worse than this. Actually, probably not. But still. I don't know. I mean, like, I don't think it's gonna get much worse than this, according to, like a radar thing I looked at. But alright, I wanted full power outage. Okay, what was I expecting? I don't really know. Hurricane season just started, so. But, like, honestly, this was, like, a hurricane that really just hit straight where I live. But, of course, it just decided to not be that bad. Okay, bye. Oh, yeah. If I sound weird, that's because I was wearing my returning. I was too lazy to take it off. I'm gonna feed my beta fish. I don't know why there's bubbles. That's probably really bad. I mean, it was just a fish bowl. I mean, I changed the water, so it's fine. But like, I should probably get like actual fish tank with like a filter and stuff. But bye, I guess.